one house, you only need one house. And if you only got 2 kids, can you just keep it to 2 rooms? Right. I mean, why have 52 rooms if you know there's somebody with no room?
I said I rebel with my conscience. I'm just a dreamer, big believer in this whole game is a process. I pray every day that I get to see the next one. My granny tell me don't question the Lord's blessings, but I'm curious. And all this weed smoke, plus I'm dead broke, homie. Shit got me delirious and ease back. My pain killed through the free sack from my Ivy Hill green pack, and my feet flat, planet. While I'm trying to go and blossom, but honestly I'm hurt by the fact they double cross me. Friends turn opposites, deal with the consequence. Gotta go and focus in, bite the hand that held, may the Lord help with your defense.
What is going on, guys? What is going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. It's your boy Evans, aka Zach or Zach Sweet FX, and I'm back on your screens with another video. So guys, today is Sunday and I'm here to do a trade breakdown with you guys. You know, I was able to catch a 600 pip move on Btcusd over the weekend, and I'm here to show you guys how I was able to do that using my supply and demand strategy. So with that being said, I wouldn't waste much of your time. I'll just get straight into the chart so I can show you how I was able to catch this massive 600 pip move on Btcusd. So if you are new to the channel and you probably don't know who I am, my name is Evans, aka Zach or Zach Sweet FX, and I'm a forex trader here in Ghana, documenting my journey, showing you guys my ups and downs on how I'm working this journey to become a profitable forex trader. So if you're interested in content like this, do what to smash the like button for your boy, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly turn on post notifications so that every time I drop a new video you will get notified. Yeah, so guys, this is on the 4H time frame of Btcusd, and you can clearly see that price is in a downtrend. Yeah, price is still in a downtrend on the higher time frame, but then the buy I took was a counter trend setup or a pullback. So I actually got into the pullback and I was able to get this 600 pip move. So starting from the 4H time frame, you know, even though I had a daily time frame trend, I was able to get another inner trend on the 4H time frame, which is also pointing to the downside. So price is very bearish at this moment, but then I saw that after price had taken out this low, it created this lower low, lower high, and then it failed to break below this previous low, creating a double bottom formation for me. But then this double bottom formation wasn't complete. I had to see a break of the neckline, a pullback and a retest on this neckline before I can be sure that this double bottom formation is valid, and that actually happened. Price broke above the neckline, came back for a retest. So the retest zone is where the gem is, or should I put it, how should I? So the retest zone is where is where my focus is. So you could clearly see that after the breakout of this neckline, price literally came back for the retest, and then I moved to my hourly time frame to check if I could see. I moved to my hourly time frame to check if I could see a supply zone for me to be able to get an entry. So I was able to spot one around here, and I expected price to come all the way back into zones like this, but then I saw something happening around here. You know, after this bearish move with this kind of a candle pushing to the downside, we expect the next candle to drop. Yes, we expect the next candle to push down a bit. Even if there will be a depletion, the depletion should happen after the candle. Like, there will be an exhaustion in the candle. It won't be a reversal candle like this. So I saw this and then I decided to go onto my entry time frame to see if there was a zone that I'm missing around here. So I moved to my 15-minute time frame, and then I spotted this 15-minute supply zone. You know, this is a rally based rally supply zone. This is a rally based rally supply zone, And these kind of zones are very tricky. If you are not careful, you won't see them because they are mostly hidden. So that was what I saw. I knew that price was reacting to this zone. With the way it was hidden, I knew it was a very valid zone, because when it was created, price hasn't tapped into it. Price hasn't tapped into this zone until now. So I knew this zone was very valid. And even when price was tapping into this zone, it was already creating another chart pattern for me. Following this massive drop, price created a double bottom formation for me, and I knew price was ready to push. So when this after this bearish candle has closed and then price has started pushing bullish, I entered even before the candle could close. I entered the trade. I left price to do its own thing. Price pushed all the way to the upside, reversed a little bit on me, and then it started pushing back up again. My initial target was 1:3, but then I just decided to hold on to the trade. If the trade, my initial target was 1:3, around here. Yes, around here. But then I saw that there was no obstacle or no key zone that will restrict price from pushing down, unless at the top here. So I had to adjust my take profits all the way onto the trend line, because I knew if there would be a key reaction zone for price, it would be on this trend line. So I had to adjust my take profit zone closer to the trend line, and then that was very crazy. Price moved. I entered the trade Friday around 5 p.m. and I closed yesterday somewhere around 6. So it was actually a 24-hour trade. I held onto the trade for 24 hours, and we got the reward we deserved. Yeah. So this was how I was able to catch a 600 pip move on BTC USD. We are not in good times. Gold has been doing a lot of messy stuff with me. Gold has been messing with me of late, and then I used to trade BTC also. So I just decided to go check on BTC, see if I can be able to manage myself with BTC before gold gets back. I love trading gold so much that I can't even do away with it. But then you can't say you love something so much, and if the thing is hurting you, you keep sticking with it. I'm not saying I will stop trading gold. I will keep trading gold, but as at now, gold is in a mess. The tariff stuff that is happening in the United States or in the world is really affecting gold that much, because the stop hands are just too much. So I came back to BTC, and then I saw that BTC isn't that very good, but at least it's clearer than gold, or it moves in a very reasonable way than gold. So I just decided to take this trade and see how it goes, and it turns out to be a win. So that's just all on this one. Yeah, so guys, you all saw how I was able to catch the 600 pip move on BTC USD. This is not rocket science. It's just as simple as ABC. Know how to spot your zones and know when these zones are solid ones. So that was just what I did, and then I was able to catch this move. So if you are interested in content like this, do what to smash the like button for your boy, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on post notifications so that every time I drop valuable content just like this one, you will get notified. And also make sure to leave your comments regarding this particular video. If you have been able to learn something from this, or if you're expecting me to keep dropping content like this, just leave it in the comment section, and I'll do my best to reply or respond to all of the comments. So that will just be all on this one. See you in the next one. Until then, I'm out.